You're the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get some of your love?
Yes. Ooh, take me back, oh, take me back. Oh, well, now it's been a while since last we got up. We'll collaborate about old times and those things that we thought of. We'll laugh about our moms, wooden spoons hitting us, Cocoa Brown boys. Funny, just to recollect, to reminisce back then when we were kids.
My man, we got history running deep beneath the physical, connected together, never roaming as individual. The time separate the flesh, the spirit ain't departed. We still getting started, progressing to catch and wreck. Respect remains mutual, no speech ever need be spoken. Disconnected affiliation, catch you must be joking. And even in life, we outgrowing each other ever since birth. We were placed upon this earth as brothers.
Well, I know we said boys up.
Good morning, greetings from the kingdom. How are you doing, dear? Yeah, happy birthday, you boy. Happy birthday, boy. Happy birthday. Much love for me and myself and I.
Hey, it's Dexter. Laking kukuruchi. Happy birthday, Skillz. Birthday present from me to you is this dry lips to remind you of the candy that you used to have on your back, and also my background, the bass. Remember your roots, bro.
Birthday, Skillz. I just wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday, and thank you for having such a positive impact on everyone around you. I pray that you have a blessed day and have fun.
Hey Sam, bro, no Mori, God bless, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sam.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Skillz.
birthday
From number 30. We're on our way back to Suva. Hopefully not too rapidly. See you. Have a great day. Happy birthday tomorrow. Joyeux anniversaire. Ciao.
Joyeux anniversaire, Abuela.
Hi, Skillz.
Happy birthday. We miss you.
We hope to see you soon.
Yo, Skillz, you just want to wish you happy birthday, man. Elvis Presley style. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much.
Birthday. Hope you're having a great time in New Zealand. Thank you for everything you've told me, and I hope you have a great day and year.
Hey Sam, I hope you have a great birthday, you enjoy yourself, and you celebrate with your friends and family. Happy birthday, mate. Take care.
Happy birthday, Skillz. I'm wishing you all the best from my side. And stay blessed. And thank you for everything. Lots of love to you.
Bonsoir, Skillz. Joyeux anniversaire. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and have a lot of takis. Au revoir.
Happy birthday, Skillz. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Skillz. From the Star family. Yay!
Happy birthday, Skillz.
Happy birthday, bro. Best wishes and blessings for today and the future.
Happy birthday, Skillz. Wishing you tons of happiness on your special day. God bless.
Skillz, happy birthday, brother. God bless you.
Happy birthday. I love you, bro. I hope you have a great day. Love from me and the family.
Hey, Skillz. Happy birthday. Have a beautiful day. God bless you and thank you for everything that you do. Yeah. Have a good
Happy birthday, Skillz. Wish you all the best on your special day. God bless. Lots of love from the family in Santa Rosa. Bye.
Happy birthday, Skillz. Hope you have a good one. Love from Sydney.
Hey, Skillz. May God bless you, and I love you. You're my big brother. We always live together. Don't tell me.
Birthday, my brother Skillz. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for being my best friend and my brother. I love you. Happy birthday, brother. Happy birthday, Skillz. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity, and I'm thankful that I'm training with you. Thank you for everything. Bye.
You're gonna cut it. Happy birthday, boyfriend. Have a great one. Happy birthday, Skillz. God bless you.
I wish you a happy birthday, bon anniversaire, and I hope I get this right. Allulum au terran asu. I hope you have a wonderful day full of mana and many, many more to come. Cheers!
Happy birthday, Skillz! I hope you have a beautiful day with heaps and heaps of fun, and sending you lots of love from Melbourne, Australia.
Happy birthday, dear Skillz. Happy birthday, boy. All the best.
You might be busy after numbers. So.
Happy birthday, Skillz.
Happy birthday, Skillz.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Skillz. Hope you have a good day.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Skillz. God bless.
What's up, bro? Big birthday shout out right now going out to my man Skillz, aka
Samuel Tukave,
aka
Maui.
Okay, man. 2, 3.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
John, that's $5.
Yes, please. $5, yeah? My bet you're going low. Anyway, hey, bros, may your life be forever long, just like your
hair.
Your long lashes, flabbergasted hair.
That long hair of man of a guy.
Happy birthday from Kukaira. Happy birthday, Skillz!
Just want to wish one of my good friends, Sam, very happy birthday, aka Skillz. Word of advice: grow old with pride. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Skillz! Thanks for reminding me to smile, and I hope you have a lovely day. Love from Australia. Bye.
Happy birthday, Skillz. May God bless you with many more tenaciouss. Allulum AAE. We love you. Big happy memories.
Alright. Happy birthday, Samuela Kunusi Takere. I hope I got all your name right. Happy birthday, Skillz. Happy birthday, bro. Hope you are having an awesome day so far. Thank you for who you are and sharing your talent with the rest of us. I've had one of the greatest times working with you and the rest of the others. And, you know, without a doubt, I'm sure you'll be spoiled today. So, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, bro. Wishing you the best day ever. Allulum. And may God give you many, many more birthdays. Cheers, bro.
Hey, Skillz.
We wish you a happy birthday.
All the best.
Happy birthday, Skillz. Happy birthday, bro. May you have many returns and may good Lord bless you on your special day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Skillz. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless Uncle Skillz. May God bless you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Skillz. We love you. God bless you. Happy birthday, bro. God bless you always. Have a good one. Bye. Love from Aotearoa.
Hey, Sam. Happy birthday from us here in California.
Happy birthday.
Oh, yeah, no.
Hope to see you again.
Happy birthday. Take care, brother. God bless.
Buddha. Happy birthday, Tatingo. Just working hard here and just managed to find the time to wish happy birthday. Have a good one, bro. Shut my dog vlog this week.
What's up, Sam?
Yo. Happy birthday, Sam.
We just wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
And hope
you have an awesome day.
Cheers!
Happy birthday, Skillz! Just want to say thank you so much for being such a great leader, great brother. Wishing you all the best in your endeavors. We're gonna party up tomorrow. Great, eh?
Happy birthday, Skillz! We miss you. Lots of araw for us. You're the best.
Not the fan. Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday, man. Best chicken.
500! Skillz, my brother, a very happy birthday to you, all the way from Haifa, Israel. Tiger Claw! Take care, brother. God bless. Happy birthday.
Thanks, Skillz.
Lots of love from Auckland.
We miss you.
Thank you for everything you've taught us.
And don't forget the most important word.
Smile.
And remember,
You look gorgeous today.
Happy birthday, Skillz.
I hope you have a wonderful day today.
And if you have cake,
God bless.
God bless.
Hey Sam, happy birthday from your Guam family. We miss you and everybody else. I hope you have a blessed day, man. Take care and God bless.
Hey Skillz, happy birthday. Thank you for sharing your love and talent with Guam, and hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day and God bless always.
Happy birthday, Skillz. Have a good one.
Big shout out and happy birthday to our brother Skillz today. Lots of love from myself, Kathy, and all the family here in Auckland. We know you'll have a good one, for lots of love, laughter, and food, and hope you get to relax and enjoy your night. Hope Wilson shouts you, and just know we're all thinking of you and miss you heaps. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, cuz. I hope you had a great day. Love and miss you. Not here, cuz. Wishing you a very happy birthday along with many more happy, healthy years.
Not yet for your ex-year, Samuela. Sweetheart, happy birthday. You're a treasure to your family, especially to your mom. I know to your dad, which is why you share his name, and carry on a great legacy. So let today be really special for you. We pray God's blessings. We see his hand upon your life. May he guide you, direct you, and lead you into all the wonderful things he has for you. Bless you, darling. I miss you.
Awesome. Have a great day, cuz. You deserve it.
Happy birthday, Sam. Happy birthday, Skillz. Happy birthday.
Hi Skilly, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sasha.
Okay, Skillz, bro, happy birthday. We're on our way back. We just dropped you off at the office, but I want to wish you a happy birthday. Love you so much, bro. Take care. Peace out. Oh yeah, Zelda too at the back here. I'm going to drop her, but love you. Happy birthday, bro. Just forgot. One special fella to want to wish you happy birthday. Happy birthday, Skillz. Happy birthday, Skillz. Zelda.
I am invincible as long